Um, while most of the times I've spoken in English in most of my vlogs, I might speak in Hindi, but I don't know. I don't see a point. No, I mean, I think we can definitely make a log in English. Anyway, so we were coming out of the mess and we saw this guy whom we have seen a lot many times, and he was having chai sutta. And so this guy has a bullet. I don't know if it's his own, but anyway, he's the one who rides us these days. So he has the keys, and so he was sitting there, and we thought, well, why not?
Ask him.
Yes. So we asked him. We asked him, Bhaiya, can you please give me, can you please let me, can you please give me a ride? Can you please let me have a ride of the inner loop road, which is about 1.1 kilometers, and it won't take a couple of minutes. I'm just telling it to you. Anyway, so I told one round of inner loop road. So he didn't get it in the first time. I had to repeat myself the second time, and he took a lot of pauses because he wasn't sure why we are asking for it. One and second being he wasn't sure. I mean, because I'm a skinny guy, and I suppose that has a lot to do with people trusting me with their bikes, and especially bikes like Bullet, which are
Heavy
heavy.
bikes.
Right. So, but I said I do, and I mean, I didn't even have to lie. I really know how to ride a bullet anyway. So he said, okay. I mean, he wasn't very enthusiastic about giving it away, but I don't know. He gave it away, and then I asked if I could take Bhanu with me, and so I don't know what he said, but I called him anyway. So Bhanu came, and then we both were sitting. So yes, so I started. So yeah, so when I sat on that bullet and when I put it to neutral, turned on the not the ignition, I turned the keys, but initially I was having a little trouble. Backing it off. So getting it out of that park zone because there was sand at the bottom. I mean, as in the road was that place was sandy, so it was a little tough to just get it to the back. And that's when I thought maybe he will judge that I'm not really very experienced or I don't have the bulk that's needed to ride a bullet. But anyway, I got it. I got it out of the parked zone, and then Bhanu sat, and then I turned on the ignition quite smoothly. I switched on to the first gear and released the clutch smoothly so that there were no doubts. And then, then we had a good ride at the campus. Bhanu, yes, Bhanu would like to explain what it did. What did you do?
I just sat on the bike and I took a video of the whole ride. I was
Right.
very scary while Arpit was riding bike. He was riding very fast, so it was quite scary for some time.
Right. He was scared. ठीक है. I don't know. Maybe because he hasn't seen me ride a bike before. I think yes. So he hasn't seen me a lot. I think it was just one time that we had borrowed someone else's bike. We just asked him if we could have a ride, but it was a very regular bike, a 100 cc bike, so it was no trouble. Anyway, so this time we had a 350 cc bike on our hands, and so Bhanu was naturally worried. And initially, even his phone gave up on us. So the video started quite late. I mean, the highest speed that we got on that bike, that wasn't recorded because the camera actually started recording it way after. So yes, that was that, and we took a lot of time. I mean, while we promised that we'll just get a round of the inner loop road, we actually, almost had a campus tour of sorts, and I think the bhaiya he was a little. He was disappointed. He seemed like कहाँ गए थे भाई तुम लोग? And I heard कहाँ से है भाई तो because I thought he was impressed with my riding skills and he wanted to know how such a skinny guy can ride a bullet this way, and I told him मैं हरियाणा से हूँ भैया in great pride, but that was not the question. And then I had to tell, okay, no, we took a detour and we went towards the scenic road. Yes, but it was a good start to this fucking Saturday, bitches! And bitches here is used in a gender neutral way, so please don't be offended. I call my male friends bitches all the time. Yes. And yes, Banu, would you like to please add?
Mm.
And then no, you want to add something. Then he also I mean he didn't get to ride a lot. I mean I must have ridden it for like 80% of the time. I'm kind of sorry that I did that.
It's okay.
And so the route that he rode it on was
There are a lot of breakers in the road.
right. There were a lot of speed breakers in that
Mm.
path. I don't know, and he was having a little trouble with the gears a little
Mm.
because yeah, it was his third time. It was his third time on a bullet,
Mm.
which is pretty good for a third timer. Right. Yeah. So that was us. We asked a person if they could lend us their bike for a ride, and they did, although quite unenthusiastically. I'll find a better word for that. Anyway, so let me tell you, this wasn't our first attempt. I mean, the day before yesterday, we asked another person, but they kindly refused, politely refused because they were busy or they had to go somewhere. Then there's another guy who I asked, and he said that students are not allowed to ride. I said no, students are not allowed to park their vehicles inside. But I didn't say that. I mean, because I didn't want to argue. So it seemed like he's probably making an excuse. So I did not. So that was a Thunderbird. That guy, the one that guy had. And I cannot really deny my skinny body build does put a question mark behind my skills to ride. So yeah, I have to convince them. Yes, I know. Maybe the next time I'll probably just tell them yes, I have a bullet at home and I do ride it all the time. So it's totally natural, and I'm just missing that riding feeling. Yeah. Okay. Yes, that was that. That's a long video. I don't know. Yeah, but then again, we're not making these videos for people to watch. We're just making it for ourselves, bitches. Okay. Bye.